Hi there! I recently made a video of how to fix the GoPro HERO if it won't turn on or charge, and it totally blew up, so I thought, why not make the video of the GoPro HERO 5 Black? Today I'm going to show you two things to try if your GoPro HERO 5 just won't turn on or charge. Okay, so the first thing is to open the door and just take out the SD card. Take a SD card reader or adapter and plug in the card into the adapter, and simply plug in the adapter into a laptop or a computer. Then simply right click here and click Format. Then simply put the SD card back into the GoPro. Now there's a big chance of the GoPro turning on. But don't worry, if that doesn't work, here's one more thing that has a 99% chance of turning on your GoPro. For the next thing, take out the GoPro battery. Then plug your GoPro USB Type-C cable like you normally would if you're going to charge it. There will be a light indicate. Press the mode button and the GoPro will suddenly turn on. Then put the battery into the GoPro and you will be absolutely fine. I hope you find this video interesting, guys. Remember, drop a like, and as always, thank you for watching.